How to add a stroke or an outline in Affinity. Let's get into it. Begin by coming over to your layers panel and selecting the layer that you want to add the outline to. Next, come down to the FX button at the bottom. This is going to open this layer effects window. The effect that we need to pay attention to is outline. If you enable this checkbox, this is going to enable the outline on the layer. Next, click into the outline so that you can configure the settings. At the moment, we have no outline going on because the radius is set to 0. If you start increasing this, you'll begin to see an outline appear around your layer. The higher the radius, the more extreme; the lower the radius, the less extreme. While you're configuring it, I recommend having it at a middle ground so that you can see what you're working with. Above radius, you have opacity. You can either decrease or increase this to suit the liking of your project. You can also change the alignment to either outside, center, or inside. It's purely up to preference of what you want to have. You can also change the fill style. So if we click into this, we can choose between solid color, contour, or gradient. Again, it's completely up to you. Finally, you can change the color of this outline. By clicking into this box here, it's going to open up a color wheel, and here you can completely customize the color of your outline for your project. Once you're happy with your outline, you can click out this, you can click close, and that's all there is to it.